It's January 11th, 2023. This is the summer snowflakes, and it has begun to sprout. Here's the tiny sprouts, and I believe this one is the Persian pearl tulip. It's also sprouting now. Other than that, this is the hyacinth. Hyacinth is also sprouting. Grape hyacinth has been sprouting for a while. Over here's the saffron. Leaves are growing taller. Here's a few more saffron. Here's the broccolini. You can see a lot of new growth from the plants. Also lots of flowers. These can definitely be harvested for consumption. The beet is still around. Here's a little patch of moss and lichens. I believe that cup-looking things are lichen. Other than that, everything else looks pretty much the same. Rhubarb is actually also sprouting now. You can see some new leaves coming out. And for the orchid, this is the mini dendrobium. The flowers have started to fade. You can see some of the flowers are sort of fading now. And here's the Phalaenopsis. The flower spike is still growing, still forming. The Christmas cactus flowers have faded already. The flower is short-lasting. Here are the faded flowers that has fallen. And over here's the pineapple. Just want to give you a quick peek. Lots of leaves still growing from that new baby plant.